So recently I had a question about allergies. What is the best remedies for relieving allergy symptoms, okay? These are natural antihistamines. Number one is stinging nettle root. This is normally good for inflammation in general, but it's really good for sinus congestion, mucus, things like that. Number two, betaine hydrochloride. You're going to develop more allergy symptoms in an overly alkaline state, okay? So when you acidify the body, you actually lessen the histamine effect, the mucus effect. Histamines create runny nose, fatigue, tiredness, things like that. So when you acidify the body, that will actually improve that situation. And it also activates the immune system so it can work a lot faster. You can get this in a pill form and take it even on an empty stomach. Number three, Spanish black radish, okay? You can even either consume this in your salad or you can even juice it. One time I used a daikon radish and I juiced, I think 11 or 12 ounces of this juice. And I wanted to experiment to see what happened if I drank the juice, right? I drank the thing while I was plugging my nose. And little did I know, it was a very spicy radish, okay? And it burned all the way through my body. But I tell you one thing, it cleared up the mucus really fast. So Spanish black radish and just radishes in general are really good for mucus and also the deep mucus that might be impacted in your sinuses. And lastly, vitamin C, okay? Most people know that vitamin C is good for mucus or allergies and colds and things like that. If you're going to take a synthetic version, make sure you also at the same time take a whole food complex, okay? Because if you take too much of one part of the vitamin C complex, you can deplete the other factors because vitamin C in nature always comes in a complex. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hey guys, so there's a whole bunch of people that really need this information. So press the share button and let's get it way out there.